What you got?
This one's a T-Rex.
Let's see it. Can you show me? Ooh, that's cute. And that's a T-Rex.
This one's a Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus.
And this one had the sickle, but I don't remember.
What is that? The ankylosaurus?
Yes.
Ankylosaurus? Can you say that?
Ankylosaurus.
Uh-huh.
And this one's a Triceratops.
Triceratops? How do you know?
Because it has horns.
It has horns. And what's the other one called?
Parasaurus.
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 And what are these? Dinosaurs. What are their names?
T-Rex, Ankylosaurus, Parasaurus, and T-Rex, and no, it's Stegosaurus and Triceratops.
Oh, that's cool. Can I see them? Ooh, that's pretty cool. You love them?
Yes.
Yeah. What do you do with them?
We play with them.
Play with them? That's fun. You love them?
Yes.
That's good.